What did you say, Maya?
This is how you get started.
Maya's going to show us how she gets started on her games, which she has become obsessed with. She just clicked on Mozilla Firefox to start the internet out. Now she's clicked on bookmarks and she's scrolling down to find her game. She's using Nick Jr. games, all the while eating a box of raisins. You finding it? Wanda's got a lot of things saved on her bookmarks. Okay, heading that way. Here we go. What are we going to play, Maya?
Thailand.
Thailand? Okay. And Thailand's on TV right now as she's playing. Ni hao? What does ni hao mean?
It means hello in Spanish.
Hello in Spanish?
Yeah.
Or Chinese? Here we go.
Go, go. Go, go. This time I'm going to play Lector.
Alrighty. It's loading.
Yeah. That's my favorite character.
That's your favorite one? Kate's playing a little golf. Hey, Mimi.
Hi.
Paper lanterns. Okay. Well, I think you get the drift. She'll sit here for hours until we make her get up. Right, Maya?
Bye.
Tell everybody bye-bye.
Bye-bye.